So you've decided to give trading a go, but like many people, you don't know where to start from. Here on Capital.com's YouTube channel, you can learn to trade for free and get news and alerts about the major markets both before and after their most volatile trading events. Whether you have no experience or have been trading for a while, we've got videos that cover the most basic steps that everyone needs to know before they start trading with real money. After that, there are more advanced guides with plenty of tips and tricks to help refine your trading strategy.
We do all of this on our innovative trading platform where you can trade with some of the tightest spreads on the market. It allows you to learn how to trade risk-free with a practice account. And when you do decide to open a real account, all your data and funds will be held in a secure environment.
So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to learn everything about trading with Capital.com.